Okay, and welcome to another video by the Yorkshire Maths Tutor. Today we're going to be looking at recurring decimals and changing them into fractions. So let's get started. Our first one, we're going to do 0.42, and the 42 is recurring, and that's equal to x. Lovely. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 100 in order to move these two decimals to the left-hand side of that decimal place. So I've got 42.42. The 42 is still recurring, and that's equal to 100x. And there we go. So now we do a takeaway, and we've got to line these up. You can see they're already lined up, so we're just going to take away a single x. Sometimes we might need to take away 10x or 100x. So take away x on this side. That looks like taking away 0.42 recurring. There we go. So let's do our takeaway. So we've got 42, and that's equal to 99x. We're then going to divide by the 99, and we've got 42 over 99 is equal to x, and we've got our fraction. Now, we can simplify that. We could divide both those numbers by 3, and then we'd get 14 over 33x is equal to x. Lovely. And that's in its simplest form, so that's full marks. Okay, let's have go another one, and now we've got one that's a little bit more tricky. So this time we're going to start with 0.315, and the 15 is recurring, but not the 3. And we do the same thing, we make that equal to x. So this time we want to get all of this to the left of the decimal, so we're going to have to times by 1,000 this time. And that gives me 315.15, and the 15 is recurring, and that is equal to 1,000x. Lovely. So the next thing to do then, we need to do our takeaway. Now we need to take away more than a single x here. We need to make sure that these 1s and these 5s line up. So we're going to need to take away 10x. And on the left hand side, that looks like taking away 3.15 recurring. Fantastic. So careful with this taking away. It's a bit tricky than the last one. So we have got 3 to take away from that 5. So it's 312. The 1 and the 5, of course, lines up. And that's equal to 990x. Lovely. Nearly there now. So we can divide by our 999. So I've got 312 over 990, not 9990. There we go. And now we can simplify that. We could divide by 3, and that will be 104 over 330. They're both even, so we can half both of those and get 52 over 1.